How to transfer videos from PS4 to phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer videos from PS4 to phone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Transferring videos from your PS4 to your phone can be useful for sharing gameplay clips or saving videos for later viewing. Here is a guide on how to do it. First, capture the video on your PS4. Navigate to the video you want to transfer on your PS4. This could be a gameplay clip or any other video saved on your PS4. Press the share button now on your PS4 controller to bring up the share menu. Select Save Video Clip to save the video to your PS4's storage. Second, prepare a USB storage device. You will need a USB storage device such as a USB flash drive to transfer the video from your PS4 to your phone. Connect the USB storage device to one of the USB ports on your PS4. Third, copy the video to the USB storage device. From the PS4 home screen, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Storage. Choose System Storage or Extended Storage depending on where the video is stored. Select Capture Gallery. Navigate to the video that you want to transfer and press the Options button on your controller. Choose Copy to USB Storage Device and select the video you want to transfer and confirm the copy operation. Fourth, transfer the video to your phone. Safely remove the USB storage device from your PS4 once the copying process is complete. Connect the USB storage device to your computer. Fifth, transfer the video to your phone. On your computer, locate the video file on the USB storage device. Copy the video file to your computer's local storage. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable now. And finally, transfer the video file from your computer to your phone's internal storage or SD card. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the appropriate folder on your phone. Lastly, access the video on your phone. Once the video file is transferred to your phone, you can access it using your phone's file manager, a media player app. You may need to use a video player app that supports the video file format to play the video on your phone. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer videos from your PS4 to your phone quickly and easily, allowing you to enjoy your gameplay clips or other videos on your mobile device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.